Mike Tedeschi, Portfolio Manager over at Perspective Wealth Planning. Earnings season continues. We're going to take a look at 8 key names that report 4 before the bell and 4 after the bell on Thursday. We're going to take a look in this video at Shopify, Datadog, Penn National Gaming, and Crocs, which report before the bell. And after the bell, we're going to take a look at DoorDash, Square, also known as Block, MELI, and Lucid Motors. Now we're going to start here with Shopify. Shopify had this major breakout above this 400 level going all the way back to 2019, right into the beginning of 2020. And as you guys know, support and resistance I don't view as a number, I view it as a zone. The entire support zone is right here like this, and this is right where we are heading into earnings. We have given back the entire run-up from 2020 and 2021 and are sitting right back on that major breakout spot from 2019. Bulls need to see that 400 level hold, and on the upside, that next major resistance zone is actually from that gap down earlier this year, right around that 800 zone. So this is a huge range, and as an e-commerce giant, this is a really important company to pay attention to what happens. Datadog is sitting right at a major level of support as well. You can see this entire zone from the breakout in the middle of last year, right around that 110, 115 zone. It's held as support, and here we are testing it once again. So what happens here is very, very important. If we take a look at Penn National Gaming, you're going to start to see a theme emerge here, guys. We are opening right into earnings season right on these major levels of support. So here is the zone where we broke out from back in 2020, right here at 40, and this is the exact zone that we're in right now. So the bulls really need to see this zone hold, and if you're looking for that move higher, you've got some resistance right here, but the big resistance is kind of right at that 50 zone. All right. Next up, we have Crocs. Crocs is sitting on an important key level as well. You can see the breakout that we had going into the beginning of 2021. We have not traded below this 65 zone since that point in time, and here we are heading right into earnings, sitting right on this major level of support. Resistance back up here just a little bit above 80, and this is what we're paying very close attention to here. Now after the bell, we have DoorDash, and DoorDash is sitting right at basically all-time lows right in here, right around the 74. That's going to be the major level to watch, and on the upside, we're looking at that 128 zone. Next up, we take a look in at Square, now known as Block. This is a major support level in here between 84 and 95. The major resistance zone is going to be back up at that 150. And again, as you can see, we're looking at all of these names. They're all sitting right on these major levels of support. We take a look in at MELI. MELI's got big support zone right here from just a little bit under 900 right to about that 960 zone. As you can see, the important level from the breakout back in 2020. It's been holding that zone here. The resistance on the upside is about that 1280 to 1350 zone. And last up for today, Lucid Motors, also sitting right here on a major level of support, right here about that 1750 zone. We have some resistance up at 21, and the big resistance is at 28. As you guys can see from all the names that we've taken a look at this week, they're almost all sitting right on these major important key levels. This is kind of that do or die spot across a number of different industries as the market is sitting right on major support as well. We take a look real quickly in at the S&P 500, and you can see us right here at this major level of support. So the way these earnings seasons are going can certainly give us a understanding of where the market may be headed. We'll come back again tomorrow, take a look at a couple of additional names as well as wrap up the week. I hope you guys have a good one. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, want to discuss anything about the market, feel free to reach out to me at mtedeschi@perspectivewealthplanning.com or give me a call, 814-580-9881. Thanks.